Alright everyone, so you're here for Plushie Day. So, you don't need to know how to sew to be here, you're welcome here anyway. Hi, I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or, 23rd time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a wonderful plushie. The song playing is Toy Takeover by Radical Box, and the Marvel Run in the background is the Halloween Railroad, because I thought it would be funny for the Christmas-related plushie, the only Christmas plushie I'm doing. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab the pattern from the description and print that out. Yeah. So once you got it printed out, you just cut it out. It's that, like, basic, simple first step. And once you have it all together, you're gonna want to take a marker or chalk or whatever, and use that to apply it to fabric. You're gonna need 1 pink face piece, 6 pink limb pieces, 6 white limb pieces, 2 tannish palm pieces, 2 gray palm pieces, 3 pink little lines bottom pieces for the torso, 1 pink actual torso bottom piece, 3 red torso panel pieces, 2 white head back pieces, 8 white hair pieces, 4 white hair pieces of another style, 1 brown hat edge piece, 1 brown hat bottom piece, 1 brown hat top piece, 2 white eye pieces, 6 green stripe pieces, and 2 white bow tie pieces. Yeah. And once you got it, you're gonna look for the little indent on the face piece, this little part where there's a bit of a line, a little triangle, I mean, and you're gonna want to sew that up shut like a big triangle. And then there's a little one, do the same for that. Now, attach an eye to the face on one side. Attach the other eye on the opposite side of the face so that it looks like an actual pair of eyes that would be on a human. And then you're going to want to take the pieces of the back and start attaching them together. Around the curved edge, you're going to want to start near the middle and go all the way to one edge. Now do the same again, but leave a gap in between the 2 starting points, and of course, it's for reasons later. Watch the whole video before starting, by the way. And then you're going to want to attach both sides. The side with the eyes should be facing the rounder side of the back of the head. Now invert it through that hole. Now stuff it up, stuff it to you or whoever you're making it for's liking. And close up the hole. And when you got that done, you're gonna start making the hat. You're gonna take the big long hat piece and fold and wrap it around. You do not want to see the soft side. If it's double-sided while you do this part, you're going to want to sew along the short edge. Sew both short edges together. Now you're going to want to attach the hat top piece to one side of that. Same thing, I guess. And then you're going to want to invert it. And now you're going to want to start attaching it to the base. Do not go all the way around, go most of the way around. When you've almost gone all the way around, though, you're going to want to stuff it and then just finish it up. And then, lastly, you're going to want to, like, attach the hat to the head, like that. Alright, to make the hair, you're going to want to take two basic hair triangle pieces and attach them together, like leave one side unsewn, though. And then you're going to want to invert through that side. Now do that 3 more times for, like, the main hair. Now, for the hair on the top of his head, you're going to want to grab like 2 of the alternate hair pieces that are more like awkwardly shaped and attach them together, like leave a bit unsewn for this. Now you're going to invert it and stuff it, then close it up. Do a second one. Now you're going to want to attach one of the alternate hair pieces right here, like start on like the flat edge that you originally sewed with and go to the other side, and like on the side further from the face, you're going to want to go about halfway, like sew about halfway to the end of that side, attaching it to the head. Then do the same, but put this one right behind the first. Now, attach a main hair piece right here. And a second here. And on the other side, put a third. And for the fourth, just one right below that third one. Alright, and to make the body, you're going to first attach one of like the body bottom pieces to the bottom of a torso piece. Like one of the little lines, like to make his outfit not all red. And do that 2 more times. And attach 2 sides together. Like 2 of the body panels together, like along the one long edge, but not the whole, but not every edge. Then do the same with a third. Then attach the 2 long edges that are not touching another one now. And add the bottom. Invert the bottom. Now start making the bow. Grab both bow pieces, like there's one flat edge, like go along one flat edge all the way, like so, like that. And now attach it to the body. Have the part that kind of goes into itself, like that side where it kind of goes in. be the one that faces outwards while you're sewing the body pieces together. And stuff the body. Alright, and to make the limbs, the arms, you're gonna want to start by attaching a green stripe piece somewhere down the middle, like somewhere near the middle. Then do the same for 2 more pieces, try to line them up. Attach the 2 pieces, the stripes should attach 2 pieces around one long edge, the stripes should be facing each other. Attach the third, same thing. Now attach the 2 edges that are not touching another edge yet. Now attach the palm. For the arms, it's the tannish palms. Oh, invert them too. Now do another one. And once you've done both, stuff them. And now the legs are pretty similar, except you use a pink limb panels and skip the strice and use gray palm panels. Attach one arm here. Attach a second arm here. And the first leg here. And a second leg here. And that gets you a wafer. And that is it for the Wafer plushie tutorial. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. If you didn't enjoy, don't like and subscribe, I guess. If you have any plushie ideas, leave them down in the comments. No promises I'll get to them at all. I'd love to hear them though, like it may bring something I didn't consider. Like, I don't know, and, when I do reach a month, I do plan the whole next month out. Just so I do try to plan the whole next month out so that I'm prepared for it. But anyway, if you feel like it, like, comment, subscribe, hype the video, and enjoy your Wafer plushie. And I usually end these off with a hint. Let's see, what would be a good hint? Robotic. That's a hint I did before, but never mind. Well, thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.